I just want to make this quick video so that we are kind of understanding how Zoom is going to work. If you log into your zoom.com website and log in with your credentials, you will probably come up to this screen, but you may also come up to the side where it says profile, and that's just like your general information. Most of the time, someone else is going to be creating the meeting, but in the event that you have to create a meeting, I just want to go through how that happens. So in the upper right-hand corner, there are a couple of tabs. There's schedule a meeting, join a meeting, host a meeting. Truthfully, the easiest way to join a meeting is through the email link that you will receive from the host. And the host is just the person who is creating the meeting itself. So like think of it as like someone who's calling you. The person who's calling you is the person who's hosting it, and you're just picking up the phone call. So I am going to host a meeting so that you can kind of see what it looks like and how easy it is to set up. You have a couple different options when you're hosting a meeting. You can do with video on, with video off, depending on the time of day. And you can also share your actual computer screen, which you may have to do in the event that, like, let's say you're home and you're unable to like do something that you need to do with your website. You can share this with a colleague and they can kind of walk you through what's going on. But for right now, I'm just going to do a video on meeting. It's going to prompt you to open up zoom.us, and you will have to do that in order for it to happen. Just give it a second. There I am. So when you are doing this, you're going to join a conference by computer. At the bottom, it gives you a lot of different commands. This one is just going to allow you to see who is in on your meeting. Right now it's just me, table of one. Okay. Now, if you click the word invite at the bottom, you have a couple different options. You want to go to invite by IM, which is just like your username, and you can type in whoever it is that you want to be on a meeting with. So I'm trying to find Alana, and I'm not finding her. So we are going to try by email. Yeah, but it wasn't popping up. We'll just do by email. Okay. So this pops up in like my Apple email, so I'm just going to copy and paste the information, and then I'm going to send it to Alana through my actual email account. Test Zoom send. So through that email, Alana's going to be able to get the link, and then she'll be able to pop right on. You're also able to record, which I don't know why you would want to do that. There's also chat, so I guess like if someone's in the middle of talking and you don't want to interrupt them, but you want to, hi Alana.
Hi, Jess.
But you still want to be able to like remember something that you wanted to say. You're going to just type the question here, and then that would be just like a running document that you can kind of have for yourselves. And that's just using the chat feature. You can share screen if you want to, so I can just show you what that would look like. I don't think Google Chrome. Select a window for an application that you want to share. Let's just see what happens. Well, let's just do desktop, share screen. So can you now see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so if this happens, then obviously it says at the top, you can't see this on the recording because I kind of blocked it out, but there is a part where it says stop sharing, and you would click that red button, and then it would go back to just the person's face. So those are just like the main gists of how it's going to work. There's a few other things up here where you can kind of like change the way that things look. You can make it into full screen if you wanted to. You can take it out of full screen. But that's really it. Have fun video sharing.